As you can see, there are two screws on this part, this one and this one. These two screws are is for adjusting the distance of the zipper tape or the zipper. This distance，师傅是往里调是间距小，
对，就是往里调是速度慢，间距小，往外调就是间距大。
If you adjust the screw by this direction, the distance of these two zipper tapes will be more close. You need to adjust the distance of these two zipper tapes to more close. And after you adjust, you can start the machine again. 就是在哪里要？
启停嘛。
启停对。By these two screw, by this start.
停。
And this is stopped to adjust and check if the zipper tape are in the perfect distance.